Welcome to the only house where missing a wall might actually mean someone took a bite.
Careful where you step. This floor is both luxury marble and extra cheese overload. This might be the first living room where sitting down could technically count as eating dinner. If this room smells good, don't worry, that's not your imagination. That's architecture. Finally, a chandelier that answers the question, what if luxury, but edible? We're heading into the kitchen, as if the whole house wasn't already a kitchen. This is the only kitchen where the counter might disappear overnight, mysteriously.
Built-in oven? Built-in oven?
Nah, the house is the oven. Dinner table or the main course? Honestly, both. No need to order food, just invite friends and start with the furniture. This hallway feels fancy, but also dangerously snackable. Modern art or just very expensive lunch? You decide.
Behind these doors, the cheesiest luxury suite ever created.
This bed looks so soft and slightly delicious. Even the bedside table is like, midnight snack? I gotcha.
Let's check the closet. Hopefully no one stored extra toppings in here.
Luxury fashion meets bakery storage. Time to freshen up or get extra crispy. Oh. This might be the first bath that smells like garlic and dreams.
Washing hands never felt this.
Flavorful.
Back to the bedroom, still resisting the urge to take a bite. Now for the final view. Extra golden hour. And that's the Pizza Mansion, where there is no home, the whole life is a piece of pizza.